Okay, and welcome back. And right now we are moving along here. We're just smoking along here. And next thing we're going to look at, we're going to look at variables. Now, this is one of the most important lessons that you're going to have to learn, all about variables. This is the last lesson we did, so we can close that down. Let's go to free tutorials. We're going to create a new directory. We'll call this one lesson 6. So we'll go into lesson 6, we'll create a new file, and we'll save this one. Oh, Jesus, what happened here? What happened? Okay, so we'll do this as variables.php. Saved as PHP. Bam, we'll do our thing. PHP. Just to show you quickly what that abbrev looks like. I don't know if we did this or not, but manager. Options, sorry. Option window comes up, super abbreves. So we are going to look at, where is it, alphabetical order, PHP. So in order to create that PHP abbrev, all I did was put in PHP here, put PHP at the beginning, put the first variable reference here, and then the closing PHP tag separated by a few lines and whatever, and it gave us this beautiful little abbreviation that helps just to get it open. So anyways, to get going here, what we need to do, what we're going to look at is variables. So the first thing we're going to look at and do, to declare a variable, simple, $sign, and then the variable name. So let's do number, for example, equals, and then we put the number 10. Very simple, very easy. Number, so when we'll go and echo out that variable, echo number, bam, done. Let's save that. Let's go to our file. This is lesson 6, and there's the file. Okay, so then there, 10. So all we did was we set number as a variable, and we set the variable as 10, and we echoed out the number. Very simple, right, guys? For a variable, you can set a variable. A variable can be has to be the $sign, and then a letter, and then it can be any letter or number. So it can be anything. You cannot have the first letter or the first character a number. That's the only condition. Other than that, but you can have number 1, number 2, number 212, CV. You can have anything you want. So now that that's done, let's just move on here. Okay, so let's make sure that that's together. So let's move on. Let's put a number. Let's create a variable called name. We'll put this, make this Joe, for example. Now, if it's going to be a string, we need to put it in quotes. So let's make the name Joe. Excuse me. So now let's echo out the name. Echo out. Echo. What's our thing here? Echo name, and that'll put our string to the screen, just like that, Joe. Okay, so now let's go back. Now we can add to this. We can use our concat symbol. This is where we set our concat symbol. Would come in handy because we can concat or glue together. Put our little dab of glue. Glue together the variable with a string. We'll make it a string. Make sure we put our space so that it spaces it out. Joe is a